Video can either help me or get me fired. Video is judgment zone. No one has time to sit there and watch me and ah on camera. But unscripted, 35% of your timeline is dead air, filler words, and stutters. And if you're scripted, 65% are retakes. How fast you can subtract the boring parts dictates if you even make video at all. You're gonna learn in this tutorial how to cut filler words, detect bad takes, review and edit a transcript, concluding with how to burn in or export captions. I'm talking smarter than real life video, faster than it took you to record live. Waveforms determine where it's safe to cut. AI transcripts, what gets removed. That combination makes cuts accurate to the millisecond. Your video stays on your machine. Only extracted audio is sent for the transcription. And with TimeBolt Vault for Enterprise, all of this runs entirely inside your firewall. I go to UMCHECK, click Run UMCHECK. Processing takes a minute for every 10 minutes of video. This will actually get done in about 3. Once it runs, you see your transcripts with every filler word highlighted and counted. UMCHECK ships with a real filler word list, right? Not just ums and ahs. You see the highlights, you see the counts. Now here's the part no other editor lets you do, okay? You can type in any unique word, tick, or phrase. You know what I'm saying? That's why detection here approaches near 100%. Now, because it's unscripted, click Enable False Start Detection. This catches all these aborted sentences, your word stutters, and incomplete thoughts. Yeah, you know. For scripted video, you want to enable retake detection. If you retake a line, UMCHECK keeps the last best take. You control how aggressive retake detection is. The look ahead settings, right here at the control settings, it shows how many lines the system compares. No other editor gives you this level of control. Detected bad content gets highlighted in red. Preview the text. You can select and deselect simply by clicking on the word. Now, these captions already come capitalized and punctuated, but let's say you need to replace a word. You right click, replace word, fudge. All fixed. Click Find in the timeline to be taken to the exact place in TimeBolt where the word occurs. Now, before I apply this and turn off these selected words, I'm gonna go ahead and check my settings. Check this out. Go here. Auto replace lets you find brand names and misspellings once, so every future transcriptions run these rules and it sets the corrections for you automatically. One and done. So I changed TimeBolt to TimeBolt. Set it once and done. It's a huge time saver. And now that you're ready, just simply click turn off selected words. And if you want to come back later, save your UMCHECK as this JSON file, save it right to your computer. And then when you come back, you're just apply the existing UMCHECK file. You can see your new words per minute right after running all these automations. I went from 166 to a fully caffeinated 200 after running UMCHECK. Now, one more settings change before you click export captions, and that is maximum characters per line. Now, the default comes at 30 per line. This controls how many characters fit into each caption segment. At 30, you get full phrases, 4 to 6 words per caption. That's standard for YouTube, long form accessibility type captions. Drop it to 15, you get short 2 and 3 word groups, clean talking head captions for something less than 3 minutes, for example. Now drop this to 7, and now every word is its own segment. And because UMCHECK already cleaned the fillers, corrected the brand names, and synced to every cut, each word lands exactly where it should, no resyncing in your editor. You get to skip a lot of fixing spelling mistakes, which is a major pain in the ass. If you're exporting XML into Final Cut Pro or another NLE, the SRT stays frame accurate there too. If you want to burn in captions and render right in TimeBolt, simply click Export with Captions and Export Video. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I copy and paste this SRT file into GPT. Now, this SRT is just more than captions. It's a timestamp content engine. When you drop this into Claude to generate chapters, description tags, and blog posts, because the transcript is already cleaned and corrected, the output is publish ready. You simply copy and paste this directly into the YouTube description and title bar. And now you can add your time accurate SRT file to your captions inside YouTube. UMCHECK costs 3 cents per minute. The credits never expire. Every paid plan includes 3 free credits. Your video stays on your machine, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's UMCHECK, and I'm out of time.